days, concurrent, credit for time served. So all you got to do now going forward is stay out of the airport and don't commit any new crimes. At the end of 12 months, we're done.
Inside the courtroom.
Hey, Your Honor, for the record, Jeff Bowden appearing on behalf of and with Ms. Brown. Could you tell the judge what name is record, please?
Oh, Daniel Martinez.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, today is date and time set for pre-trial in this matter. There are 7 matters pending. I met with prosecution. I met with Ms. Brown. We have an executed plea in which Mr. Brown is going to be pleading guilty to 3 counts of trespassing at Detroit Metro Airport.
Okay. We don't care which 3, do we?
No.
Okay.
Some of it is sort of the rules and regs. We're pleading all 3 are trespassing.
Yep.
The understanding in that case, Mr. Brown, unless he's a ticketed passenger, he is not to return to Metro Airport. I believe he's been in custody since the 26th of July. We may consider time, so.
26. I can probably do that.
Thank
All right. All right, Mr. Brown, did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Bowditch today? You understand those rights and the options they give you? All right, do you understand the possible penalty for the charge of trespassing? All right, so Mr. Bowditch just told me that you and the prosecutor got a deal worked out that you're going to plead guilty to 3 charges of trespassing and would be dismissed. Is that your arrangement? And are you pleading guilty to those charges freely and voluntarily? All right. So I'm going to give you no particular order. I've got a July 11, 2026 charge, a March 17, 26 charge, and another March 27, 26 charge. On each of those occasions, were you at Metro Airport? And are each of those occasions after you'd been told not to come back to the airport unless you had legitimate business with an airlines? Are you satisfied that I've met the factual basis I need? All right, I will accept the plea to those 3 charges, dismiss the 4 other charges that we just talked about. When's the last time you worked?
More Social Security stuff.
So it's been a while since you had a job? All right. And help me understand, what's the attraction of the airport? Why do you keep ending up? Because you're not a local guy. It's not like you're walking from your house.
First came to ask over property years, walking there, I'm so local to discuss if I'm this guy in the big thing that they're looking for. Other than that, I think it's a miscommunication between them, there, it's property stuff.
Yeah, it's a bus.
Okay. All right. Okay. So when you say they bringing you there, you don't mean like the official airport asking you to come out.
Airport came up and see my property, I just had.
Hold on. Who asked you to come up?
It's a precinct on the side of the airport, down by the airport.
So you mean the police department at the airport?
I went up there like 3-4 times after they request to see what's going on. You want to die in the database.
Your Honor, I believe there was property. And they would take Mr. Brown, identify it, and he couldn't. Then they discovered it was not Mrs. Brown's property.
Okay. I've got 509, 121B, and 403. All right. All right, Mr. Bowditch, you satisfied? Anything else I should consider before I set terms?
Nothing except the admonishment not to go back.
Yep. And you say you've been in since the 26th.
Correct.
That's 7, it's 14, 15, 16, 2 days. All right, so Mr. Brown, what I'm going to do on each of these 3 files is put you on a 12-month non-reporting probation. Terms are stay out of trouble, no new criminal charges, and stay out of the airport unless you got an airline ticket. Each file, I'm going to put you in jail for 7 go back to the airport, violate with new charges, then you're back in front of me for probation violation. Understood? Any questions? Good luck.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
Inside the courtroom.